but we're going to jump right on into it. And as soon as you open the box, warning, warning, warning. If you're going to use these, they will get welcome back, YouTube. It is a great day to be different. So that's what we are going to do today. We're going to show you guys how to be different. We have an unboxing of the extremely hyped all white ghost clippers. I did get the set, the full set, but this video is specifically over the clippers. There will be another video for the trimmers, but we're going to jump right on into it. And as soon as you open the box, warning, warning, warning. If you're going to use these, they will get dirty. And believe me, they get dirty. Extremely fast and extremely easy. But these clippers are amazing. They work very, very well. They have all the power you need. They are smooth, beautiful. They feel good in the hand. Feel extremely nice, extremely premium. Lever smooth. The clicky sound is smooth. Everything about this clipper is dope. It's a dope clipper. It has everything you need. It does all textures, coarse hair, straight hair. I love the clipper. It reminds me a lot of the JRL Onyxes, which was one of my favorite clippers I've ever used. And these fall in line with just a few minor things that I would prefer the Onyxes over. As you can see, these are beautiful in the hand. The nice, beautiful black trimming. I believe the reflective black pieces complement the all matte white. Very nice. There goes your angle of where it charges. Nice two-prong. Your famous JRL fade blade. Beautiful. I love this blade. It cuts smooth. It does everything you need it to do. I have no excuse, nothing negative to say about the blades. It fits all the guards that I need in my system that works right. Lever, awesome. Best lever on the market in my opinion. Smoothest lever on the market. No issues except the fact that it is plastic. And you can see right here my Onyxes, just from moving it on and off the charging dock, sometimes you will accidentally tap it, and tapping that plastic against plastic, it will cause damage and defects to the clipper. Unfortunately, that is the only thing that I do not like about JRLs. The all plastic kills me because they fall apart extremely easy. Spending a premium price for these type of clippers and they just fall apart like toys does bother me, and it hurts my feelings a little bit because they aren't cheap and they're getting more and more expensive. They're getting way too expensive for plastic in my opinion, but they hold their own. And with these all white ones, not only are they all plastic, I'm assuming that they're going to have the same issues as all the other plastic JRL clippers. They just fall apart. But they are all white and they will get dirty. As you saw the warning, that's what I got from it. If a clipper, it's the first time I ever seen a clipper come with special instructions on how to keep it from getting dirty, because they're gonna know people are gonna be complaining about how dirty these things get, how fast they get dirty, and how easy they get dirty. But here goes your charging dock. Absolutely beautiful. As long as you can maintain its all whiteness, these are definitely gonna be a statement on your station at all times. So I did end up getting 2 pair specifically for that reason. One that I can go crazy with, not have to worry about how pretty it is. And then I also have one to keep clean. So if I do decide I want to just look at it, which I do weird stuff like that because I'm a nerd when it comes to these clippers. I have one in the box I can look at all times. But again, definitely one of my favorite clippers. They feel good. The all matte gives it some more grip. It's pops. It's beautiful. It looks good on camera. It looks good in person. It looks good on my station. It does the job. It really, really does the job. But for the purpose of it getting dirty as quick as it does, I would suggest that you guys go ahead and go get the onyxes if you can. The all black onyx. Here goes what it looks like on the inside of the box. You got your guards, which I don't really use ever. You got your trimmer guards, you got all your cords, your chargers, your plugs, a couple Phillips heads, some oil, zero gapping tools, everything you need. Me, I buy clippers all the time, so I got all those tools already, but we appreciate you, JRL, for packing everything in there and getting our money's worth. This set did come with a clipper, trimmer, also a foil shaver, which I will not be using. But we are gonna put this clipper and this trimmer to the test. Again, I do have another video of the trimmers coming out, so you guys stay tuned for that. If you are interested in those trimmers, they do have a new blade on them. But other than that, these clippers did the job, man. I love these things, and I'm gonna do my best to keep them clean. But if not, we're gonna put them to the test. They for sure did the job. Beautiful blend. Very quiet. You guys let me know if you plan on getting one. Appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do whatever you guys got to do to keep me on your timeline, man. We out of here. Peace.